Okay, so from our previous video, we were able to create FBS account, and we were able to actually log in into this account. We were also able to create a demo account where details were given to us. So as I said earlier, you need to go to Play Store, okay, and download MT4. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is how the MT4 looks like. Now first you log into this MT4. Okay, already I have some accounts here that I've set it, but we are going to, whenever you download, you won't have anything like this over here. You won't see anything like this over there. The place is blank. So all that you need to do is click on the plus sign at the top there. You see the plus, click on it. Now whenever you click on it, make sure that you have your MetaTrader login details that we saw from our previous video there, so you can look at it and then create the account. Now we have at the top there, open a demo account. Already we have opened the account from FBS here, so we have to log into an existing account. That is number 2, log into an existing account. So we will click on log into existing account. Now whenever you look at that previous video, the information we had there was the server is what we need to look at, and the server and broker, which is FBS demo. So we will pick FBS demo. Now what do we do again? The login is the MetaTrader login. So that was 91 okay 83683. Then the password was KG okay YZ capital B D 7 then capital A. You can see from our previous video. If you don't have it, you can still go back and check it. Now click on sign in. Click on sign in. Immediately click on sign in. Make sure you see the demo banner light at the top. You see, so I will activate my internet and then we look at it. Okay, we have to get that at the top here, like how we have here. My name should appear here. Okay, yes. So yes, now you can see the name of the account is showing here, and we have the $1,000 in it. And when we were creating accounts, $1,000 is what we opted for. So you can see when it appears like this with your name details, who is it, then it means that you have done it. Now let's log in into it. Click on it like this, and when it is at the top like this, then it means that that is the account that you are using for it. Now whenever you come here, you will see all these are the currency pairs that we are going to trade on. So we have AUD CAD, okay, yes, or what is Australian, yes, AUD, Australian Canadian dollar. In the same way here, you can even look, you have Euro, AUD, okay, CHF, JPY, or Japanese yen, okay, Euro, JBP, so Euro versus the pounds, Great Britain pounds. So these are all currency pairs that we are going to trade on. Okay, but look here, they are not enough, they are just small. We have more from the plus sign. Click on the plus sign here, go to forex, and you can see these are all currency pairs you can also trade. Let's get back here. We have the forex exotic, and these are all currency pairs you can still trade on. When you go to metals, we have gold here, we have silver too here, you can trade on it. Metal too, we have palladium, yes, palladium and platinum also here, and you can add them. Okay, features, we have Nasdaq, US dollars, and all those things here. So if you want to add, let's say, Euro CHF into the list that you have there, you just need to click on it. Whenever you click on it, they go to the other part. So you can see I've added all of them. I can even add the metals, palladium, all these currency pairs can go there. You see, when you click on it, they go to the other part, so you don't have anything left here. So you can see all are all here. So you can trade with them anytime that you want. Okay, anytime that you want. Now let's get here. This is where the graph shows. So this is Euro JBP. Today is Saturday. Trading don't go on Saturdays, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So this is, you see, where the trading goes on. Okay, so we see the increase in prices and then the decrease in prices. Okay, from here it goes up and down, and that's how we make the money. So this is how it is. These are what we call indicators. It shows you if a currency will go up or down. Okay, these are what shows you all this. So we'll come to that. We'll have a video on all of them, and also with strategies. Now look here, this is how it works. So this shows you the graph, and to pick a particular graph you need to come to the currency pair. And let's take it for example that I want to look at the graph for USD CAD. All that I need to do is click on it and open the chart. Okay, and open the chart. So when you click on it and open the chart will show up. Make sure you have internet connection. So you see USD CAD. Now what if you want to show that of USD CHF? You click on it, open chart. Okay, so you can open almost all the charts in the currency pairs, any one that you want. Now here shows your balance, your equity, your free margin, and all those information. Whenever you do a deposit, it will show up here that you've deposited this amount of money. If you make profit and then you end the trade, it shows up here. If you make a loss, it shows up here, and all is deducted from the balance from this place. Okay, and as time goes on you understand. Now here also shows all your history trades that you made. So you can see that I have a balance of 1,000, and when I start trading, all the balances will keep showing up here. Okay, now here are news that you receive, and here are also charts and other parts from the broker. Now let's get to this place. Let's say that you want to place a trade. Let's say that you realize that AUD, okay, AUD will go up. AUD will go up. Okay, so you want to place a new trade to buy. When the price goes up, it is buy. When the price is decreasing, coming down, it is sell. Okay, so you realize that, okay, I want to do a buy order for AUD CAD. Okay, yes. Now whenever you decide to buy, your first thing you have to learn is the lot size. So I will create a video around the amount of money you have in your account and the lot size you should use. So with $1,000 you should be using roughly 0.1. okay, yes, because of fund management. So roughly 0.1 for your $1,000. That is the lot size that you can use. Okay, so 0.1, in fact for roughly 0.1. Now after deciding on your lot size, we are going to do a market execution, because we want the market to do everything for us. Now the red part you see here is sell stop. Sorry, the red part you see here, we have the red part and then we have the green part. Sorry for the sell stop is, you see from here, it's also a kind of market so we have the SL and then the TP. You understand? You have the SL. The SL is the red one, and then the TP is the green one. Now when we talk about SL, the SL is equal to stop loss, and then the TP, which is the green one, it is take profit. So what is stop loss? Stop loss is, for example, let me use the graph here to show you something. Okay, let's take for example that you wanted to yes, you bought, okay, you realize that AUD will go up, So this is where you bought it, and then you realize that it started going up. It started going up. When it starts going up, it will start making you profit. Then you realize that the thing started coming down. When it comes down and then bypass where you bought it and starts coming down, it means that you are in a loss. Okay, it will start making you losses. So if you have funds in it, it will start taking out of it. So this is what happens. Why we have the stop loss. The stop loss is part where you can place a line like this here. Okay, I bought from here, and then I decide to place my stop loss here, which tells the system that in case I did buy and it goes up and then comes back, okay, immediately it reaches to this point, end the trade. I don't want to lose more, so end the trade in case the trade comes down, bypass where I bought it. It enters into a loss. If it enters into a loss and it reaches this point as my SL, my stop loss, kindly stop it for me automatically. You understand? So that is why we have the stop loss, and it is very important in trading. In case it goes against you, then you don't lose much. But if you don't place stop loss, it can come down here and you can lose all the money in your account. Now we have the TP, which is take profit. That is the green one. The take profit is another place you can set up here to tell the system that I bought here. If it goes up here and starts making me profit, when it reaches this place where I placed the take profit, kindly end the trade for me. I'm okay with the profit I've made so far. Okay, so it's the take profit and then the stop loss. Okay, it's very important. So you decided to do a trade. Okay, you already set up your load size, which is 0.01, 0.1 over here, and then you can decide to set your SL. You can see it in red. Okay, so you can decide to set up your SL, and I can also tell you this is where you need to enter your SL, and then here is where you need to enter your TP. Okay, here is where you need to enter your TP, which is the take profit. Now, are you going to buy or sell? Okay, if it is a buy, click on the buy here. If it is sell, click on sell here. Simple as that. And if you buy and it goes in your favor, you make huge profit from there. And if you sell, you also make good profit if it goes your way. Okay, now let me show you how we are able to do the trade even as a newbie, someone who they don't even know anything in trading. We have people who knows everything. In fact, they are good in trading, so they share free signals with us, and all that we do is enter it. Okay, so the person can send like AUD, okay, AUD, a buy order, okay, AUD buy at 0.93933, something like that. Okay, so all that you need to do is, let's say a buy order at 0.9393, set up SL at, okay, maybe 0. This, that, then TP, this, that. These are all the information they send to you. So you know where to place your SL, you know where to place your TP, and then you know it is a buy order because the information sent to you is buy at 0.9333. So you just come back here into your account and then effect or place the trade. Then you look at the information that they sent to you, then you place them in your account, and then you wait for the profit to roll in. But not every time you can get profit. You can go into a loss, and the next trade can give you huge profit as well. So somehow that is it. So the aim is go into your account and fix it like I did. Okay, our next video will show you how to how to read those information I just explained to you. Okay, and then groups that can offer you those free services. I'm giving them out for free. Okay, you can look in the description part of the video of the next video, okay, of that next video, and then you will find links to all those groups where you get free signals for free. Okay, so thank you for watching. Let's meet in our next video.